Hi, this is Dr. Sylvester, and I'm really excited to talk to you today about a subject that is very dear to my heart, and that's Hammertoes. I think you should see Next Step Foot and Ankle Clinic here because most people, when they get Hammertoes, and they suffer with them for a long time because they're afraid of the surgery. They look on the internet and they see, implants in the toes, pins in the toes, several weeks wearing a post-op shoe, and a lot of very, very difficult recovery time things they have to obey in order to get over this ingrown toenail surgery. And it really doesn't have to be that complex. In about 80% of, well, probably, honestly, it's almost 100% of our patients, we've developed a new technique here at the Next Step Foot and Ankle Clinic that I'm really excited about. Have done hundreds of these and I'm looking to put them together into a paper, but the technique involves basically the use of a needle to make the toe straight. There's some disadvantages, but there are huge advantages to that procedure. The biggest advantage is that the patient is literally in a dressing for 2 days, and then they take it off and they can get back into regular shoes. Sometimes they have to wear some kind of splint to keep their toe straight for a little while, but in general, it's a much shorter recovery than traditional hammer toe surgery. The second thing is it's almost painless. I think only 1 out of every 10 patients takes a pain pill after the surgery. But the nice thing about it is also there's very little scarring. The patient's toes look fairly natural when they're done. Now some toes, it's a little bit more difficult to get that procedure to work, but we're finding it with, as we get better with the technique, that we can apply it to almost every hammer toe. In fact, I haven't done a traditional open hammer toe surgery in probably about 2 years, other than one case where the toe had been fractured and the bone was grossly overgrown, and we had to remove a large section of bone just to get the toe so it would fit in a shoe. So if you do have a hammer toe deformity and you're looking for an easy solution that may provide you with a much quicker recovery than what perhaps you've heard, then please give us a call at the Next Step Foot and Ankle Clinic. Thank you for listening.